If you're married or in a relationship and are looking for that perfect surprise gift for your partner, I'd like to invite you to check out Date Night Living Room Dancing, where you two can learn how to dance together in the comfort and privacy of your own home. Hi, I'm Hunter, the creator of the Date Night program, which you can order by clicking down below, and I've helped thousands of couples around the world learn how to dance together, regardless if they have 2 left feet, 4 left feet, no rhythm, have tried dancing, can't dance. I fixed all that with this program because it is designed for one thing and made for beginners. And it's a step-by-step fun program that's going to teach you guys how to dance together. Now, the trade-off or catch is it's not going to turn you into a professional dancer, so you're not going to be going on Dancing on the Stars, but you will have the confidence to dance together out on the town anytime there's music on or at a wedding, concert, bar, etc. You will have these moves down and be ready to pull them out of your pocket and show everyone what you've got. And what you're going to learn in this program is a step-by-step date night experience. It's less than a dinner and a movie out, and you're going to learn 11 moves that you can mix and match, so it looks like you know 100 moves to anybody watching. And for the guys, I found it's a lot easier to just learn a few moves that you can mix and match versus trying to learn thousands of different things and just being overwhelmed. So it's simplified down so that you guys can have fun. And Couples Report, and you can check out trustpilot.com, check out the reviews there. But couples have told me that one of the best things they like about it is how much they laugh together. Because you're trying this stuff at home, and at first you don't know it, so you're laughing and kind of messing up together. And more importantly, once you start dancing together, you experience what I call the dance effect, which is a deep connection with your partner that really kind of rekindles that romance and that spark, almost like that first date all over again. So you can order the online streaming and start dancing tonight, or get a DVD copy if you prefer that. But click the link below to order, and I'll see you on the other side.